In 2008, Spectrum International School was established under the name Nuroda International School. It was founded by the International Public Foundation, Bilim Innovation, with the vision of providing high-quality, values-based education in Kazakhstan. The school was accredited to deliver the Cambridge International Programme, enabling students to pursue renowned qualifications such as Cambridge Primary and Secondary Checkpoints, IGCSE and A-Levels. 3 years later, in 2014, the school was awarded international status by a resolution of the Government of the Republic of Kazakhstan that reflected the school's dedication to global citizenship and cultural exchange. 2017 was a significant year for the school, as it was renamed Spectrum International School, and in this year the school was accredited by the Council of International Schools to meet international standards in education. In 2023, Spectrum International School moved into a new state-of-the-art building, purpose-built to deliver a high-quality, vigorous Cambridge and values-based programme which places students' well-being at the centre of their learning and development. Today, the school proudly selects and brings together highly trained teachers from around the world, creating a diverse faculty to educate our multicultural student body, which currently includes students from 35 countries. Through the British International Cambridge Programme, our unique mentoring program, students secure internships at top universities like MIT and Harvard, as well as Stanford and Oxford. Students from Spectrum International School are prepared to become tomorrow's leaders by actively developing skills in diplomacy, innovation and cultural diversity through their involvement in International Model United Nations, research initiatives, international exchanges and cultural projects. For 16 years, Spectrum International School has established itself as a leader in international education, both in Kazakhstan and globally, offering quality education, promoting holistic development and fostering a close community that provides a strong foundation for its students' futures.